So what's up guys? Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sumrak Luna here, and we have this Mondo 1/6 scale action figure, which is Sabretooth. Wow! Guys, wow! Sobrang laki guys, sobrang laki. So this is the box already guys. It's super mint. 10 out of 10. Kung titignan nyo naman, hirap ako sa camera sa sobrang laki guys. Ayan. And this is based on the X-Men animated series, and as well classic 97 X-Men animation. As you can see, a comic style on the box pa lang. There. Logo by Mondo. Alright, and this is a initial magnet type, but it is a, hold on guys, let me open it, an open window or a clear window box, as you can see here. And look at that, loob pa lang. Wow, ganda guys, with one alternate head, open mouth, open palm, hand, and closed fist. This one is gripping hand, which is the default hand, and as you can see, meron din yang meaning, as you can see there dun sa box. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda guys. So tara, samahan nyo ako, unbox natin. Let's go! Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Gagalaw yan si Sabretooth, lalabas, magsasariling unboxing. Hintayin nyo lang guys. So ito na nga guys, lumabas na si Sabretooth sa kanyang box. So guys, this is a 1/6 scale Mondo action figure. Sabretooth pa lang is 13 inches tall. And this is concept designed by Alex Brewer. Sculpted as well by Alex Brewer, as you can see here, from head until toe. Ayan. Paint by Mark Bristlow. And then the packaging art, packaging design by Visenir Dan and Nolan Fleming. Ayan. So ayan guys, super solid ang articulation nito guys. Napaka-tight ang joints pa niya. Double jointed ang elbow. Kung makikita nyo, may ab swivel yan. Napaka-angas. Diba? Look at that guys. Tingnan nyo pa lang, mukha pa lang panalo. Oh ha? And may hip swivel din yan. Double jointed ang knee. Napakasulit. Ankles, may swivel din ang ankle niya. Ball jointed. Sulit guys. Very comic like ang head sculpt. Tingnan nyo guys. Napakaganda. Default head pa lang yan. Sobrang sulit guys kung makikita nyo. And as well, hindi lang yan dyan nagtatapos sa ating mga toy collectors dyan. It has the alternate head na naka-open mouth. Ayan guys. Ayan. Oh! Apakasulit. Ayan naman. Ang ganda guys. Ayan. Ayan naman, napakasulit. Extra animated robot head. Ito ay part ng accessories like the C4. Ayan. Napaka-eyes. And this. Whoa. And this. Closed fist. Sulit. Sabretooth. Ayan naman guys, napakasulit. Alright. our Sabertooth Mondo 1/6 scale action figure. Awesome articulation. Ayan guys. Whoa. And it comes, I forgot to tell you guys, it comes with a base as well. Ayan. The base. So Mark Luna out. Peace. Hope you enjoyed the quick unboxing. Bye-bye.